Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rumita and I am the certified Ho'oponopono healer and Money Reiki grandmaster. So I gi ngasi video se manifestation gi maramda oidoni I gi viewer amana su request the manifestation career gi the kamai ta odoino haina. So the correct way, correct formula amala manifestation ta obagi se formula se apply ta ura kanda akoigi remaining akona YouTube ta uba 369 555 everything water technique dugumada ta uradi definitely result to fulfill orakani wish fulfill orakani. But formula se hana apply ta udadi akoigi feeling, thought, belief and action se formula ni F for feelings, thought, belief and action se mayam se tawdringi aligned oidrinagi ataygi akhoi affirmation igera ama igera kanara oi mayam kana bawala kani dugi tamakta khwaidagi ahan base akhoi feeling, thought, belief and action se anu darkar tai se align oira kanda everything frequency aligned akhoi se manara kanda akoina tawdoiba mayam affirmation irasu akoina 369 technique tawgera water technique tawgera manifestation mayam tawgera duga kanarakpa oigani akoi se hana apply tawdana atai tawtharadi kana bawat kani for example akoigi anoiba mi amna akoigi ko weight se reduce tawninga di within a 1 month ta kamai e ko akoi affirmation di phajana irani aba dugagi mana affirmation do irani tummaga hawgalle ana jengaga mina haine sumaina iraga phayana script kumba kai gumba se iradi positively kanayana do mana hawgalaga exercise tawbida di dem pada chalaga pizza gumba burger gumba charaga di kari kana ba phangani manifestation tawrasu isingi technique tawrasu ama tawasu kana ba phanga oi because magi feelings na to pada chakhare thought na chakhare action na tongale magi belief na tongale do to di kamaina align to na goal ta achieve to gani na tra so first of all angang se among the viewers in a high the career gi maram dani ko se every akoigi for life the akoigi main pillar akoigi relationship the khangde money the khangde akoigi then career the khangde any akoigi health the khangde si apply to base hana khwaide ahan bada manifest to ge haidi si gi pot se hana to bi batai ko formula se feelings ige haiga islawro feelings, thought, belief and system. Sorry, feeling, thought, belief and action. Se yaudadi tawba yade. So, khwaidagi hana akhoi thabak tawgani haiba tawradi clear akhoi mind da ko bhajana thought se karamba company da tawningi ba government da tawragana karamba department da kai no aina kopna ne bhajana each and everything se bhajana hana diary am da itho dagagi sonana private na oiga karamba company da kyam salary dagagi aigi reporting gi manager duna nupara nupira karamba company no karamba location no kamai no haina kopne itho e loraga aina haiba hachiki feeling thought belief and action se apply to view that means se e loraga company ama ai kokta khalledana khallaga for example private ki da harage ko linkedin da nokri da akhoi thabak thibam ki main platform se linkedin da chapiro private to akhoi company do filter to biro hr gi number premium payment tawraga payment taw da di hekakti phangdabani payment taw biraga duga hr da directly contract to bio resume thabiyo plus akhoi adu ama option ama leire then option amana directly company gi website ta chalaga career gi option choose toga duga su resume thaba lai then after doing all this thing then manifestation to start to ba then ni click oyakani aidi irani affirmation bhaja ba irani akhoi gi hajik ki formula se apply to dadi kamaina wish to fulfill oyakani natra so animak mathau tari mayam adugi action dusu tawbiu thabak su thibale pinganu plus affirmation tawbiu hauji ki se tawbiu aje akoi ayukta e loraga apply su tawdadi kaidagi lakani natra same sumaina sigi se then only manifestation 369 tawgera affirmation high gera e gera any technique of manifestation helping tools se tamakta definitely work koyakani but the first step is very important sigi main important maki formula se hana apply to bira kanda manifestation to bi mayam definitely result phangakani So all the best ngang punamak thabak thiba punamak, especially career gi hairakpanena aina career gi on the high ko. So thank you so much for watching my video. Mayam aigi channel se subscribe to biramu because ano was sugumba live transformations angang gi thabak ki kai ka se ai dum marak marak da matam sangba matam da ai definitely upload to jarakani. So mayam kana gadaba oyadi aigi se subscribe to biramu. So thank you everyone for watching my video.